If this setup and outfit is looking similar to a video from 2 weeks ago, that's because it's the same day. So today I am double dipping videos and I'm filming 2 at one time. I know, productivity, oh my gosh. We already made a sweet treat, which you saw last week. Yes. Now we're on to a savory treat. Could be more the polar opposite of what we already made. We're making Brussels sprouts. Now, I feel like vegetables, everyone has an opinion on what the favorite vegetables are, which ones that they just can't eat at all, but balsamic glazed Brussels sprouts will change you. You will suddenly love Brussels sprouts. They're so good. This is another one of those
foods Pauline's missed because we haven't gone to a restaurant.
And like every restaurant in the general area that I live in has balsamic glazed Brussels sprouts, and they're all so good, and I want to make them myself. Okay, so first, let's talk about what's going on these Brussels sprouts. So I'm making half serving of the recipe that I found, and I'm tweaking, of course, because it's me. And they're not just balsamic glaze. No. They're also garlic Parmesan. So like, they're just all the flavors. They're all the flavors. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first step is to cut them all in half. And of course, we don't use knives in this kitchen. We use scissors for the most part. So I'm just doing this in here. Hopefully this works. I don't know. We'll find out. Very squishy. Okay, there. See? One, cut in half. And if this recipe is easy, this is gonna end up being like the banana pancakes. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh yeah, preheat your oven, 450 degrees. The tiny ones are so cute. The big ones are kind of intimidating. And last one, we have a Brussels sprouts. Now, you'll want a baking sheet and you want oil on it. I already did that. Since I cut this recipe in half, it's gonna be a little different, but I'll include the thing down below in the caption. First off, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, of course, the math isn't perfect because it was like dividing thirds. It was a whole thing, but we're gonna put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and now a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, and now 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I feel like any more than that would be a lot of garlic. I think we might leave it there with the garlic. I feel like they were wrong. I mean, I can always sprinkle more garlic on later. And then something I'm adding is some Italian seasoning. Because why not?
Why not do a crazy dance? Why not take a crazy chance?
Now we're just using the rest of my Parmesan. I think it's enough. I think any more than this would be a little bit extra. Okay, and now I'm going to stir them and not make a mess. And not sneeze. I forgot, you're supposed to evenly distribute the olive oil on all of them first and then put all these dry ingredients, but honestly, I think it's fine. I feel like they're evenly coated. Look at that. They look gorgeous. Okay, so let's check the status of our oven. It's 405, it's almost already ready. Okay, so now we're gonna evenly distribute them on our baking sheet. I think these are gonna be dangerously good. And we're almost ready. I don't know about you, but I think I'm getting quicker at cooking. Also, this recipe seems like it's a super quick recipe. Okay, there they are. I'm gonna wash my hands and we're gonna pop them in the oven for 20 minutes. Nice and warm, melting my makeup off. Okay, I'm doing the whole 20 minutes because they were kind of soggy, like they weren't fresh, like dry kind. And we want them to get crispy. So they're in there now, and yeah, I'll see you when they're done. Fingers crossed they turn out good. I'm hungry now. They smell so good, I'm excited. First off, they smell amazing. Second off, they're done. So let's go ahead and pop them out of the oven. Ooh, yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna let them cool off for a little bit. They look so good and they smell amazing and they look crispy in some spots. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm gonna set the timer again for like 10 minutes and let these cool off because I'm not burning my fingies. Then we will add some balsamic glaze. That was hard to say while punching in numbers. and try them. I'm so excited. And I'm going to be reusing this sheet to make some sweet potato fries. We're double dipping the use of this oiled sheet. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I think they're cooled off. Scoop into here and put some balsamic glaze on. Okay, they're kind of sticking. Not all of them. I know I oiled it. Oh, I just plucked them off. I kind of want to try one without the glaze on it. Oh wow, they're really good. Random question, but are Brussels sprouts related to artichokes? I feel like they're in the same family. I feel like these are their tiny cousins. Here they are. Look at them, they're so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put some balsamic glaze just on a little spot so that my mom and sister can pick how much they want. If I can get open with my oily fingers. Also, you can make balsamic glaze. I just happen to have it in a squeezy tube because I love it. Let's get a gander. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go for this one right here. Ready? Oh, these are so good. Wow. Oh, make these. Okay, I gotta wrap up this video as always so I can inhale all of this. No, not all of it, I'm sharing. Okay. I forget what I say at the end. Subscribe, that's it, if you want, if you feel like it. Your support means the world. And like this video, if you like how they turned out, they're so cute. Comment down below other recipes I should try. 300 out of 10 recommend this. Like, this is the best Brussels sprout recipe I've ever had. These are better than the ones in the restaurant. That's a lot. That's a lot coming from me. Okay, I'm gonna go portion this up and share it with people. I'm not gonna eat the whole plate. I'm not gonna eat the whole plate. I'm not gonna eat the whole plate. Oh, sharing is caring. Bye, everybody. Bye.